Instruction of E plus L rectifying controller. 1. Check the circuit. 2. Restore factory settings. First, release the lock. Slide from the lock button to the setup button to unlock. Click the manual mode button so as to switch to the manual mode, and then press the setup button. And at the same time, press the increase value button for more than 15 seconds until the rest appears on the display screen. Then release the two buttons. Then, first, conf is alternately displayed on the display screen, which means that the factory settings is restored. Then, press the setup button, and at the same time, press the increase value button for more than 3 seconds, one parameter each time. And then press the lock button to save and exit. 3. Setting parameters. Press the setup key, and at the same time, press the increase value button for more than 3 seconds. DIR will be displayed. Then release the setup button. Press the up and down adjustment button to change the DIR value to 1. Press the setup button, and at the same time, press the up or down button. In order to adjust to the parameter POS, release the setup button. Then, press the up or down adjustment button. To adjust the pose value to 1, press setup button, and at the same time, press up or down button. Adjust to LPOS parameter. Then, release setup key. Press up and down button. Adjust LPOS value to -75. Press setup button. At the same time, press up or down button. Adjust to RPOS parameter. Release setup button. Press up and down button to adjust RPOS value to 75. Then, press lock button to save and exit. 4. Adjustment speed. Press the setup button and at the same time, press the speed adjustment button until the adjustment speed is displayed. Then, release the speed adjustment button and press and hold the setup button and up and down button to change the speed. Release the setup button to save and exit the setting after 3 seconds.